today we're going to talk about laundry, specifically smart features on laundry. A lot of people will ask, why do I need Wi-Fi on my laundry? And the truth is you probably don't, but if you've never had it, there are some useful aspects. I have it personally. Actually, the set we're standing in front of is the set that I own at home. So Wi-Fi on your appliance is smart features. So it's really handy for a couple different reasons. One being you can actually go into your laundry center and actually set up some custom features you wouldn't be able to otherwise. You can download firmware updates, which will give you some additional features you may not have had otherwise. In the case of the LG specifically, they have an option where if these are stacked, and then your controls for your dryer are all the way up here, you can actually download a firmware update that they came out with afterwards where you can control the dryer from the washer control panel, so it'll make it a little easier to access the controls here. But then just the convenience, where my laundry is located, I can't always hear when things are finishing on it, so it'll send me a push notification to my phone when all my stuff is finished. That will give me the ability to not have to run up and down a flight of stairs every time to check it and then to find out that it's not done, or if there's an issue and maybe I need to rebalance everything. So there's some convenience to that. The other aspect to it, you'll see some of them now are having these automatic detergent dispensers, so you can actually load this up with all the detergent that you need. You can actually modify how much detergent it's going to dispense. If you don't use softener over here, you can actually deactivate that or repurpose it as a secondary detergent dispenser. So you can do all that right through the app. And then it'll give you reminders when it's time to run your cleaning cycle. When we're looking at front load laundry specifically, but even your top load laundry, you're supposed to, running your regular maintenance is really important. So every 30 cycles or so, it'll let you know, hey, it's time to run the cleaning cycle on there, so that way you don't forget about it, and then you have mold build up, and then if you know anyone that's ever been through that, and you probably do, it's not fun, and there is a point of no return where it's not fixable. And then little things, your power usage too, so the cost of electricity is going up, so it'll give you a monthly report. It'll keep track of how much energy you're using throughout the month. You can set it up to reorder detergent for you. It'll keep track of how much you're using and be like, hey, you need detergent, and then you can actually, some of these brands will be set up where it'll auto order it right through Amazon, so it just shows up at your door. You don't have to worry about that. So there's a lot of little convenience aspects to it. One thing we didn't touch on, service. So they can remote diagnose these things now too. So if you do run into an issue with, say, this set, it'll give you the error code that when you call LG and be like, hey, my laundry set has an issue, they can actually log into your account, see the error code, and the idea is to have a first trip repair. They can see exactly what the problem is, order the part, show up with the part, fix it, and be out of there without having to make multiple trips out, which is convenient for everybody. So if you want to know a little bit more about some of these appliances, and it's really hard to find laundry without Wi-Fi today. There are still some brands out there that do it that way. But go on dunsappliances.com and check out our selection.